Alright, quick review here on this power inverter. 200 watts power inverter. This one is sold by Forward USA. Let's do a quick opening of the box here so you can see how it comes. This one is nice because you get the long cable. You get this here. I'm guessing to get discounts. I go to Facebook or Twitter. You got a fuse here for it, and a manual. 3-in-1. All right. The minutes you get the power outlet. You get another for the lighter, cigarette lighter here. 2 USB ports, and of course the power outlet. You know why I like this one? Because it has the long cord, and it's not like other ones, some short ones that they have already attached. You have to put it in the lighter like that, and sometimes they don't fit. That's why you need the cable, the one with the cable, because you could buy some small ones on the department stores, but they have it attached right there. You have to put it there and leave it there by the lighter. It's better if you have like this, some room to move it. So, all right, so I have started my car. Because to run one of these, I recommend always leaving the car on. I already plugged this in, and let's try by putting a couple of things. Let's let me put a battery charger. All right. It is charging. Oh, it's actually 100%. Already. So let me put something else over here. I have a fan, one of those old fans. So let me plug this one in for the ultimate test, because you cannot. There you go. Put in high speed. Yeah, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All right, what else? Let me also charge my phone with the USB. There you go. Yeah, it's charging. What else can we do? Well, let me take this one off and put some lights on. There you go. Ain't this awesome? 200 watts power inverter. Alright guys, this is my review. If you like it, please, if it was helpful in any way, leave me a positive vote on the bottom of the review page. Select yes, I will really appreciate it. Thank you. Let me just put some music and have a party.